This is after cleaning these ports. There's no running across the display. Each individual's working properly, after cleaning these ports. This is the method I always use to whenever I face this running displays. These controls are unstable. Firstly, this is the control, This would be 20 gig control. I disconnected this control from like that. Okay. There you see the contact here. These are the greasy contact. There you see a lot of grease. It's because of this gear which makes this smooth. These grease are, in time they goes down to deck tracks and the display is unstable. The resistance is unstable. This is how I clean this part. I clean this. I clean this with electrical cleaner. I use this cotton and I clean it across this path. And after that, I clean this contact with a sharp blade, like that. Very smooth and gentle. You clean this excess oil on this contacts very smoothly without damaging this with tiny points, without broken these terminals. After this, you put it back like that. These contact liner will be dry soon. Disassembly back this potentiometer. Put it back in its frame. And you tied back these hooks. Okay, it is done. It will feel like a little loose because of you clean the excessive oil. It will not sticky as it new. It'll feel a little loose. Okay, but the control is usable again. After putting it back, you clean it all. When I solved this problem whenever I ran out of this control. If I had extra control, I put a new one. If I haven't got this one, I clean it. And whenever I ever clean this, it's all okay. No return back. Like this, okay? Okay, it goes. Without missing other potentiometers. Okay, it goes individually. Okay, there you go. Okay.